Hello everybody, how's going? Today I'll teaching you how to fix Call of Duty Mobile Facebook login error. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your Call of Duty app and your Facebook app was updated, okay? Because maybe there is the cause of your bug, okay? So the other way you can try to fix that bug is just open the settings of your cell phone and clear the cache of your Call of Duty app, okay? So just go to the settings of your cell phone, go to apps and notification, go to the app of your Call of Duty, and after that, clicking storage and clear the cache and the storage of your Call of Duty app, install, and after that install again, and maybe your bug was solved, okay? But if the bug persists, what you can do is very simple, just change the age of your Facebook profile, okay? If you change the age for older than 21 years old, probably the bug was be fixed, okay? So I hope I can help you with this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya!